Guys, welcome to our Techmates channel. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock Facebook profile for privacy. So first thing first, head over to your Facebook. Once done, get logged into your account. Now you should be noted that you can only lock your profile if you are a personal account user. If you are using any company account, you cannot lock your profile. So if you are a personal account user, select this your profile picture, select your name. Once done, select this three-dot icon just beside edit profile. You see lock profile. Select this, select lock your profile, wait for this to load, and now you can see that you have just locked your profile. Only friends can see the photos, posts, and stories on your profile. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe to Techmates for more tutorial. If you want guaranteed answer to a question, you can join our membership today. Members will get priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.